everyone, I wanted to take you through a quick tutorial with some of the features for NewsELA in case you're confused with what you should be doing for your Article of the Week homework assignments. So my view might look a little bit different than yours because I'm a teacher, so my account's different, but most of what you see should be the same. So when you want to log into NewsELA, you can either search for NewsELA. You can type it into your search bar up here, or you can always access NewsELA from the links on PowerSchool Unified Classroom. But once you get to this screen, remember you want to click on that Microsoft button, and it should allow you to sign in through your account. So I'm signed in. And what I'm going to do is just search for an article. Since you guys can look up anything you want to read about, I wanted to show you that feature. So up at the top, you should see a search engine bar that says search. I'm just going to look up animals. And once I type in animals, you'll see there are a ton of options. Some are text sets, and a text set is going to have a group of articles. But once you find one article that's interesting to you, you are going to click on it. So I'm just going to go with this first one here, Scampering Dogs in Chile, Help Restore Burnt Forest. That sounds pretty interesting. All right, so now I'm in my article. Now, you should see a number somewhere at the top of your article. I would like you to keep the article at whatever number it goes to. So do not change the article level. I repeat, do not change the article level. All right, so then you'll start reading. And as you're reading, you might find something that you think is important. So I'm just going to highlight this first sentence in the second paragraph. It says, the blazes ripped through the Almal region of central Chile. And I think that's important because it's telling us where it happened. And I'm just going to type my little note in. I would definitely recommend that you highlight and type notes for yourself. It's going to make it really easy for you when you move on to the activity section. So after you read the article, you'll go to the activity section, and you'll have two options. I have three, but you will only have the write and the quiz. You can start with either, completely up to you. When you click on quiz, it's going to give you 4 questions. Sometimes you'll have to pick multiple answers. Sometimes it's only one. When you click on the right section, there will be a question for you to answer. You should answer that question in a full paragraph. So in order to successfully complete the assignment, you need to do a few things. You need to first read the article and annotate it. You need to complete the quiz, and you need to complete the right section. If you have any questions, please ask me or maybe watch this video again. All right, thank you.